What a miserable day outside. Fortunately, I have a shop. May not be heated or lighted, but it's dry, well, for the most part. So, just wanted to give you guys a little update that I bought a new camera, which you'll be seeing eventually. Unfortunately, when I went up to Minnesota, I broke my other little one that I had. It was just a point and shoot type camera that really you're not supposed to get dirty. And I mounted it to the front of the four-wheeler and was riding the dusty back roads of Minnesota. And now the lens won't open, so I have to get that fixed. But in the meantime, I bought a camera that is much more suited to vibrations and adventuring, so you guys will be seeing that soon. I've been shooting my last several videos with my big old Nikon D7100 camera, and it takes great videos, but it's just too darn heavy to be lugging around, because it's a full-size camera. So, just a little update for you guys. We're going to be putzing with the snowmobiles today. We're going to fire up Old Blue, the 94 Chevy Astro, because I got to do a couple things with him yet. I might even fire up the 67 Olds Delmont that we got in the pole barn. So stay tuned for all of that. Let's head down there. Alrighty, here we are at the shop. It's still a mess. We still haven't gotten the roof on the damn thing. There's the trusses over there right next to the trailer. That right where they dropped them. Right where we dropped them. I was hoping to have a roof over this new part by the winter time here, but I think that's officially out. Maybe next summer. It is a huge mess in here. And most of this is not my fault. Like, these boxes are not mine. Okay, here's my engine cherry picker. Okay, I'll admit I haven't gotten it together yet. Oh well. I'm going to try to see if we can get the old 67 Oldsmobile to run. I got my light here. I haven't taken out the battery. It's been in here all summer and probably all winter. What I want to do is I want to fog the engine down because it's going to be sitting for the other winter. I've already stabilized the gas. So, let's see what's going to happen. This should be a good cold start, but this stupid car is so boring. It always fires right up. So, let's see what happens. If it's not going to start, I'm not going to worry about it right now. See, we got a strong dome light. Where's the keys? Here they are. There we go. Key. Now, the throttle's nice and free. There were 7 pumps. See what happens. Let's do it. Oh God. I don't believe it. I just don't believe it. You saw it. I pumped it 7 times. There's no way. This thing must have an incredible fuel pump or something. Oh my God. Oh. Lights going out. I mean, yeah, she's chooching a little. A lot. Ouch. I'm just going to let this thing run for a little while. on the stick. I suppose I should have checked that before I started it. I just don't believe it. Hope my light don't fall down there. Wow. I just don't believe it. The thing fired right up. Stupid car. This thing has literally been sitting. Let's see. This car has been sitting since, well, I think it was last October or November when I put it right where it is. Wow. Incredible. So I'm going to let her run for a while, and I'm going to start my little campfire, keep the bugs away. And we're going to fog her down real good. So, alrighty. One cold start successful. I'll turn her back on when I'm going to fog the car down. So, alrighty. Cool. Alrighty, now that I've gotten my blazing inferno started, now I'll go back to this critter. It's been about 20-25 minutes, I think. Yeah. So I'm going to start fogging her down. It's going to get really smoky and stinky, so I'm going to set you guys up probably over here, so at least y'all can breathe. And you can see the chaos ensuing. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Here, over here. Right here. So there's the... With the fuel system on this one next, I'll put the table in. There you go. Awesome. That's all I need to do. Just like a boat.
Awesome.
Yeah.